Just a quick little video. I just wanted to share my experience after about 3 days with the MoreMito. MoreMito is just a wonderful way to get the mitochondrial energy, fueled up. The mitochondria are like little engines inside the cells, so they burn a lot of fuel. So with this product right here, I'm just absolutely amazed. Just groundbreaking. For the last 3-4 days, energy levels are through the roof and focused and like a natural energy at the same time. So it's like, not like a jittery energy like a coffee or a caffeine or anything like that. This is an energy like a life force energy, okay? And much like CoQ10, by itself, I do sell CoQ10. I'm not going to mention the brand, but this right here just blows it out of the water. I mean, it's something that I've never experienced before, and it's all day long. Even right when we get home at night, the energy's still there. 11 o'clock at night, still there. And then rest. When I go to sleep, the body starts feeling tired. Just naturally go to sleep, have very deep and good dreams and a deep, soundful sleep. My wife, she's been taking it and been having really good experiences, including my son, that my friend Ryan Conley originally gave this idea to us for him, because he has autism and neurological Lyme's that he's going through a protocol right now with. And it's doing wonders for him, wonders for my wife. And I just recommend anyone getting on this. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And thank you, Ryan Conley. You're a true blessing to all of us, and deep blessings to everyone. Thank you. And go MoreMito. Thank you.